Hi, you're listening to Everyday Superpower, a place where you can learn about body language and you can read the minds of others just by paying attention to how they act, how they behave, and how they gesture in and around yourself. Okay, so we're going to continue the little mission into women attraction signals. And if you enjoy what we're talking about, click like, click subscribe. If you have seen any of these behaviours in public or have any personal stories, we'd love to hear them, so feel free to leave a comment down below. Today we're going to be talking about the rolling hips of a woman. Okay, so women have wider hips than men. Alright, this means that when a woman walks, there's an accentuated roll which will highlight her pelvic region, okay? Highlights the fertile, childbearing region, essentially, okay? A woman will accent this walk in order to appear sexy, such as a catwalk model, such as a woman who knows she has the eyes on her. Okay, if she's feeling herself, she'll walk with more intention, and as we know, movement attracts attention, so why would you not accent the hips that this beautiful world gave you? All right, men can't walk like this, so as always it becomes a very potent feminine signal separating the sexes. The masculine loves the feminine and the feminine loves the masculine within reason. So men can't walk like this and women can, full stop. Alright. It also, is in regards to why it's relatively uncommon that women are good runners, purely because their wider hips make the legs splay out a little more so to the side. Creating, a wider, what you would consider a crotch gap between the legs in comparison to the male. When it comes to seating, a woman will be able to contort her legs into positions only women can. A woman can direct both of her knees forward while still crossing the legs. A man can't do that, obviously due to the fact of the genitalia, but just due to the the separation in the hip ratio between the masculine and the feminine. Alright. We are attracted to the hips, and when the woman is walking with the rotation and the consistent movement of the hips, because it charges our biological processes, our need to procreate and to find fertile women to procreate with. So it's a very it's a very attention grabbing movement. So we'll leave that there, just a nice brief one, okay, because I'm going to go further into the hips, but this is just in regards to the talk on the walking and the movement of the hips. Alright, a gay man may try to represent or replicate this walk, but biologically speaking won't be able to really do what a woman can do, purely due to the sexual difference of the skeletal mechanics. Alright, hopefully this was of benefit. If you have anything to say, I'd love to hear it. Leave a comment down below, and that's me signing out. Goodbye.